Hey Gomes graduates, Mrs. Florence Corey here with another edition of our daily math puzzles. And this week we are focusing on Mad Libs. And as far as our theme week for grade 5, we are keeping the learning alive by being wacky and learning in a silly way. And I just wanted to share, I'm not dressed up in anything funky today. I'm not pretending to be cold or southern. I actually just started a cooking class, and I just wanted to share with you. This cooking class has to do with the science behind cooking, and it has lots of fancy molecular gastronomy and fancy things that you're supposed to be adding to your food. Well, guess what? Mrs. Florence Corey burnt her first homework assignment. I burnt it and I failed. But guess what? I persevere and I'm going to try it again. So hopefully I don't fail the course. All right. So we are all learning here and we are keeping the learning alive. So make sure that you continue to tune into our videos, keep learning, make sure you're going onto your Google Classroom, okay? Your teachers are going to be posting schedules, links to different things, fun activities. So we want to make sure you're tuning into your Google Classroom. Make sure you're continuing to watch our videos. Make sure you comment below. We're seeing the same students commenting below, and we love hearing from you, especially Adriana, Chloe, Aidelyn, Crystal. But make sure you are commenting below so your voice and your name can be heard as part of this, because we want to keep this going. So again, thank you, Aidelyn, for answering yesterday's math Mad Lib puzzle about Miss Simoes and Miss Bell running. And the problem was Miss Simoes ran a race in 3 5/10 minutes, and Mrs. Bell ran a race in 6 4/10 minutes. Who ran faster and by how much? So, Gomes graduates, when we are comparing decimals, we want to make sure we line our decimal up. And when we have a race, we want to see which number is smaller, because in a race you want to be running in the fastest time, and the fastest time is the smallest number. So I'm looking at the two decimals that Aidelyn gave us. She gave us 6 4/10 and 3 5/10. So when I look at that, I see that 3 5/10 is faster, which means Miss Simoes ran faster. And in order to know how much faster Miss Simoes ran than Mrs. Bell, we want to subtract. So what I'm looking at is 6 4/10 minus, or subtract, 3 5/10. And again, I'm lining up those decimal points. So I'm looking at 4/10 minus 5/10. But I know I can't do that, so I need to regroup. I need to go into that ones place. So I go to the 6, and I'm going to be regrouping, taking a whole from that and moving it over into my tenths place. So that turns into 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. So that 9 is in the tenths place. And that leaves me with 5 minus 3 in our ones place, which 5 minus 3 is 2. So our answer is Miss Simoes ran faster than Mrs. Bell. She ran 2 9/10 of a minute faster than Miss Bell. Excellent job. Now, I want to just say congratulations to grade 4 for starting a YouTube channel, except in grade 5, we're a little competitive. So we're adding you to our Mad Lib grade 4. So our Mad Lib for today is grade 4's YouTube channel has blank the amount of subscribers as Triple G5. How many more subscribers does the grade 5 channel have than grade 4? So make sure you comment below, and we want to hear from you, so that way we can use your input into my video tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you're turning into your Google Classroom, and make sure that you are keeping the learning alive. And if you cook, don't burn your food like Mrs. Florence Corey. All right, have a good one.